It's been 7 years, honey.
I know. Wow.
7 years since we've worn our wedding outfits. I gotta hold it like this. What do you think? You know how they say it takes a village to raise your kids? Our YouTube community is our village.
Yeah. This is my lovely wife, Ebony.
And this is my wife, Denise, and we are Team2Moms.
Those are the brothers.
We've been on YouTube for about 4 years now.
Yes. Our first video was about Obama.
Two terms, 2 chains for another 4 more years. When we first started on YouTube, our format was literally just once a week, and we did vlog style, which is just you vlog whatever is in the moment. Question number 3. How much did it cost us to have Olivia through the fertility treatment? Being a creator, it's so easy to just sit in front of a camera and start talking about content and having a conversation with
That's
your...
the easy part.
That's the very easy part. But post-production, post-everything, when you're like, everything is down and you got the kids crying and this, it's like to find that space to be able to record more frequently or as much as we would like to. It is a lot. It's Ebony.
It's Denise.
It's Lucas. I'm Lucas. Olivia!
We have vastly changed from our first video to now in several ways. First way being, we knew
Nothing about camera. All we knew about is that red little button to press and record.
That's
we knew nothing.
Just the basics of
and it used to
press
do
and
like
record.
this weird like bubbly thing on the screen.
There was just so much wrong with our, you know, I would laugh seeing my first video
lighting
right
was
now.
horrible.
We didn't know about that, nor did we really pay attention to all of that. And I think that this journey from the first video to now,
We've learned so much.
So much
Yeah.
about aperture,
ISO,
and its relation amongst each other and how it affects your lighting. Now we have the right audio to help the sound very crisp and clear. High five! Yay!
So for us, that meant investing some time up front to do some research and to test the best ways for us to shoot our videos that best fits our life and schedule.
Right now we are trying to set up to record. You have to upload a certain amount of times during the week, during the month. You have to have continuity on your channel on this platform.
because you see more of it like engagement.
You'll see a higher engagement with your audience, a better retention time with your audience if you have sustainability and continuity on your channel.
There's so much I want to tell you guys in this vlog.
And of course, that's very important to your viewers when they see such great
Quality
work.
It just makes them want to click the video even more because of the quality in itself. Just looking at a video and saying, oh man, this looks really awesome, makes someone really interested in watching the video. You pumped? You pumped? You pumped? You pumped?
We would definitely give some advice to other creators since we've learned so much. The first thing being is to create a concept for your channel, like a specific series. I think all creators should do that because a lot of creators just randomly talk about what's ever trending or what's popular today.
And also have a place where you could just turn on the camera. You don't have to do what we used to do before and put the camera in front of us, which would take a really long time to do.
Yes, and you just talking up a storm, right? It helps the entire community when you upload more content because you're bringing more of an audience to the platform, to YouTube as a whole. What keeps YouTube running is people watching YouTube videos. So if you're uploading regularly and you're creating good content and you're creating consistent content, your audience will grow.
Yeah.
So before it was a bit of a challenge and a bit daunting for us. And now it's become a lot easier with us in finding the time and the setup where we can just film.